Good morning and welcome to First Light. Oh, these are some big waves today. Oh, something washed ashore right there. Is that a lifeguard station? We got some monster surf out here today. I wanted to see the sunrise, but it looks like it might be cloud covered, unfortunately. I thought we were going to have a great sunrise this morning. So right now it's supposed to be first light. Look how high tide got last night. There's usually so much more beach here. Let's see what we can find out here today. And there might be a lot of garbage, so I'm not gonna dig a ton of the foil signals. So anything in like the 40 range, I'm probably not gonna dig at the start today, because this high tide line usually has a bunch of those small foil signals in it. Here's a good signal, probably bottle cap down here. 70 range, but it's jumpy, so it usually suggests bottle cap. Okay, we're scooped. Oh, it's a penny. All right, here's a 53. Could be a nickel or a pull tab. Usually it's a pull tab, spoiler alert. All right, we are scooped. We are unscooped. We are scooped again. Oh, it might be a nickel. It's a nickel. We have a Smirnoff. Let's get this off the beach. This is probably the lifeguards. It's one of those sand flags. If I see the lifeguards before I leave today, I'll give this to them. All right, here's a 53. It jumped down to a 50. Probably not a nickel, but... All right, we are scooped. What do we have? Oh, it might actually be a nickel. Let's see what we have. It is a nickel. Oh, slightly higher tone in here. You hear? You hear how there's a higher beep here? Like, there's foil. Nope. There's something else down here. Something jumping around. Probably bottle cap. It's jumpy. Let's see. It's pretty wide, I think. Oh, it's a can. Yeah, it was a very wide signal. I couldn't pinpoint it too well. And usually that means can. So this one's a little higher. This is a pretty wide too here. So this is a 46, 47, but it's a pretty strong signal down here. So let's see what we have. Looks like we're out. Yep. So this one is actually pretty cool. But you could tell how that was a bigger signal. This is actually useful. This is a good carabiner. Check it out. It's a locking carabiner too. Italy, AISI 316 pat. Max 15 kilonewtons. I don't know how good or bad that is, but kind of cool. These things are always useful. Hanging things like bottles off my bags and whatnot. And it has this locking mechanism too, so it can't open. So I don't know if 15 KN is for climbing or not, but I'm definitely keeping this. Cool find. Oh my gosh, look at all the trash down through here. We're gonna clean the beach today. There we go, White Claw. All right, chat, today we learn a valuable lesson in life. Trash goes here. You ready? You ready? Here we go. One trash bag done. Morning. How you doing? Pretty good.
I was down here last night when all the kids was here. I was going to come up and detect, but I don't want to horn in on you.
I'm kind of just staying in this area picking up trash. I'm picking up their garbage.
Okay, well, is it all right if I go farther out then?
Yeah, you can take the tide line. That's fine. Yeah, I'll probably stay up here and just keep picking up this garbage and...
Okay, well, I just, I don't want to horn in on you.
Oh, yeah, you're fine. Thanks for asking. I appreciate it. There's a few detectors down in that area, so... I don't think anyone got down there yet, and they were probably down there for the party, so I'm picking up all the cans that washed up, but I'd rather get this stuff off than... I haven't even got... There's a suitcase down there. So yeah, I'm focused on just getting this trash. I don't care about finding anything cool today.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Yep. You too. Yeah. Yeah, you can start down there and then right down there. Like I said, I'll stay up here.
Okay, Terry Shannon's my name.
Oh, Wade.
What's your name?
Wade.
Wade?
Yeah.
Please meet you, sir.
Yep, nice to meet you too. Yeah. So let's just make a pile in this and then we'll put it all together. Actually, it's not what's in the bag, what's in the bed sheet. It rings. There's cans. There's flip-flops. It's just trash upon trash upon trash. It's towels, flip-flops, cans, all wrapped in this sheet. So let's just carry this whole thing off. Ugh. This is heavy. It's like Santa Claus, but the opposite of Santa Claus. It's Trash Claus. Are you ready? Ugh. Oh, I just got sand all over me. Look, we found a suitcase that's filled with trash. Yep, all trash. Because when I come to the beach, I like to bring a suitcase filled with my alcohol. And then I like to leave it behind too, because that is what makes the most sense. So one more thing to carry off then. Let's zip this up a little bit. I'm glad they left us a device to put the trash in. Sorry, I know this isn't the most exciting content, but I'll feel better about getting as much of this stuff off the beach as I can today. Spike ball with no spike net. Okay, garbage ball. So let's just grab this and take the rest off. Oh, they didn't grab it. Oh, yeah. I think we kind of filled up that can. We pretty much have filled this whole thing up today with garbage from the beach.
You got a second?
Yeah, what's up?
I wrote a couple of books on the metal detector, and my car is right up here. You want to come over? I'd like to give you one.
Oh, sure, yeah. That's awesome.
Well,
Yeah, I am just a heads up. I am live streaming, so I have a whole bunch of friends that watch and join me out here because not everyone can come to this every morning.
Okay, well, do you want to get it before you leave then, or do you want?
I can grab it now. Just since it's online, just giving a heads up that like too much personal information or anything like that. Can people buy your book?
Oh yeah, they're on Amazon. I have a website.
Oh, my detector's down on the beach. I left it down there because I'm like, oh, he's down there. He'll keep an eye on it. So I'm gonna.
I tell you what, I'll go get the book and bring it down.
Okay, thank you.
You got a place to put it?
Yeah, I can fit it somewhere. Yeah. Thanks. Show them live. Detecting the Treasure Coast by Terry Shannon. Awesome, thank you. It's on Amazon, right?
It's on Amazon.
Is it okay if I plug it to everyone watching right now?
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, everyone, check it out. It's on Amazon. And right here's the author.
Yeah, terryshannon.com.
terryshannon.com. Well, thank you.
I've got one YouTube video out there's over 1 million hits.
No way.
Yeah, 1,200,000 right now, I believe.
None of mine reach that much. That's awesome.
Well, I appreciate what you did. You know, you're doing a great thing.
You know, that's kind of what we're out here doing now as detectorists.
Yeah.
Or, you know, we don't, sometimes we might find something good, but we're out here to get trash off the beach too. You know, trash isn't exciting, but we're making the beach a little nicer.
Everything I dig up goes out with me.
Exactly.
You know? And I fill the holes up. I get real irritated at people that don't do that.
That's the worst.
You know, and I try to...
that's how they make a rule, no more detecting.
Right.
The kid trips in a hole, twists his ankle, and done.
If I've done really well, like last year I found, last spring, I found a Spanish coin, 1544.
Wow, I've yet to come across any of those.
I got quite a
Here
few.
at Paradise?
Huh?
Here at Paradise? Usually those are...
I'm down at Melbourne Beach.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah, I go down there quite a... this is like my 10-mile area.
I have an invitation to stop at my place anytime to see some of my treasures. I've done
All right,
quite
thanks.
well, you know?
My biggest treasure is a vibrator.
I used to be the county sheriff back home in Minnesota, and I found several there too when you're out in the woods looking for something.
Yeah. I found that here at this beach. I found brass knuckles here too. That was one of my weirder finds. I didn't expect to find brass knuckles.
Yeah. You just never know.
I know.
That's what's so great about the sport. I'm 79 years old. And I can walk.
I'm only 31.
But I mean, you know, true treasure for me is the exercise.
Yeah. It's great to get out here. Gets you up out early in the morning. You get to enjoy the ocean air, which is good for you. And all right, thank you for the book.
I met you. And,
yeah.
You know, I admire what you do.
Here. I do have a card. If you ever want to reach out, email me or anything like that. So sorry, it's a bit beat up, but like I do live streaming and educational content. So like bird photography and things like that, I stream live. I do it on Twitch. That's understanding. So there's my email.
Okay, what I'm going to do tonight.
And then there's my website that I'm streaming on right now. So if you type that in, you'll see where I am.
Okay, and I'm going to email you tonight with my email address,
all right.
Phone number. That's in case you ever decide to stop over.
All right.
Interesting thing.
All right, that'd be super cool.
Okay.
Yeah, nice meeting you. Thank you for the book.
Thank you for the courtesy.
Yeah, hey, you got to be nice in this world. You got to be nice in this world. It's no fun being mean.
A lot of them that way.
Oh, I know, right?
I've been talking for 30 years.
Oh, I'm sure. All right, have a good one. Detecting the Treasure Coast by Terry Shannon. This is awesome. Okay, there's our trash pile for the day. We have cleaned the beach. Other find-wise, we found a ball. And we found pretty much coinage, bottle caps. We found that carabiner. That was probably the coolest find of the day, was the carabiner. Right here. The most useful find. Everything else, bottle caps, pull tabs. Let's watch some surf. Have you ever watched surfing before? I still have my wildlife set up from last night, and I knew there'd be good surf today. So I feel like we should check it out. That's real swell. Oh, we got a big dive coming in back here. And here we go. Oh, longboarder. Oh, he's carving that face. Is he gonna hang 10? He's trying to get pitted. Oh. Oh, there we have someone going. Oh, wha-bam. Oh, he held on. And he closed it out. All right, we have a paddler down here. There we go. Oh! Hope they're okay. Oh, we might get a rider here. Yo! He tried. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought he was going over. We got a paddler. Oh, there's a guy in front of him. Look out. Ooh, good effort. Not bad. Oh, is he gonna get it? Oh, this dude only rides bombs out the back. Typical longboarders. You catching it? There we go. Oh, yeah, that closed on him. Today's been wild, right? Thank you for hanging out today. Thank you for being here, even through the stream stoppage. Hope you enjoyed a little bit of that surfing action. Like, for me, it's not, like, it's exciting, but it, like, I see it a lot. So it's not like the most exciting thing in the world, but some of you have never, like, watched actual surfing, you know?